Hello YouTube, Rick here. For all you guys that ride motorcycles, especially the Harley Davidson, that have racks on the back, I know a lot of you have bought you one of these flag holders to go on the back. Well, have you ever bought one and the hole in it was not quite small enough to let it slide back and forth? I've seen people wrap tape, numerous things around it, but I have a fix that I believe is going to work just great. Let me show you what I've done. So I found a piece of 3/8 copper. 3/8 copper fits in there perfect. So I took a piece of 3/8 copper, measured it, marked it, and split it in two. And ended up with these two halves here. Now what I've done, it being a 3/8 and it being the exact size, I laid it in the bottom, and I have an old punch that I laid on there and actually struck it with a hammer. And when I did, it conformed to it. And that, by the way, is just the same size as the bar on the back of my Harley. So I fitted it to it, and what we'll do from here is we'll go out here and put it on the motorcycle and see what happens. But this should solve the problems of the flag moving back and forth, especially when you're riding. So anyway, let's go see what happens. Now let's get this thing mounted on here and see how it works. See, I've tried a lot of different things, but I think this is going to work. And I've got it in here. I've actually tried this a couple of times, and it's always best to use your wrench, because I've dropped it a couple of times too. So just barely snug it. Well, not even snug it, just let it touch. Let's put the other on till it touches, then we'll turn it up. And I just snug it down really good. That's great. No more wobble or anything. Check the back bolt one more time. All right. And that's the way you can do the El Cheapo brackets here that you buy on eBay and Amazon. I've had this one for a couple of years. It's one of them Chinesium made things. But anyway, I've tried several things. This right here, I believe will work. I just thought about it a couple of days ago, and I thought maybe when I had time I'd give it a try. But anyway, if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Hit the bell. You know how to work it. But anyway, enjoy your day and God bless.